So the next topic that we talked about was triangles. The first type of triangle that we talked about was an equilateral triangle. And so here's an example of an equilateral triangle. And we showed the kids that all sides are congruent. And congruent means same length. And so all the sides are going to have the exact same length. And there's 1, 2, 3 sides in a triangle. So since all the sides are congruent, we showed them that on an E, there's 1, 2, 3 straight lines. So that was equilateral. The next triangle that we talked about was an isosceles triangle. And so here's an example of an isosceles triangle. And we showed the students that on this one, there's 2 congruent sides. And so on an I, there's 1, 2 straight sides. So that's how they can remember 2 congruent sides. So we see that right here with our isosceles triangle. The last triangle we talked about was a scalene triangle. Now on a scalene triangle, none of the sides are congruent. And so we showed them that in an S, you cannot find any straight lines. And so there's no congruent sides. So that's just kind of how we taught the students to remember. And then we also know that a triangle goes back to being a polygon because it does have 3 sides. It is always closed and all the sides are straight. And so we showed them that those correlate together.